absolutely fine. Because if humanity warms up to the planet, to the point where humanity cannot exist here anymore, the planet will still be here. We'll be gone. And in fact, once we go, the forests will grow back, the oceans will replenish, and so on. So understand that this struggle is not about some nebulous, ethereal thing about saving something called the planet. This struggle is fundamentally about whether humanity can fashion a way to mutually coexist with nature for centuries and centuries and centuries to come. Put differently, this struggle is about securing our children and their children's future. And for that reason alone, we all should say, as parents, as aunts, as uncles, as grandparents, as future parents, that we will not spare anything in what we do to ensure that we secure their future. Because if we have any sense of intergenerational justice and intergenerational solidarity, we have to recognize that we are living on this planet as if we don't have future generations coming after us. So, to end